Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content. Conversation between father and daughter. Good morning, Papa.
Good morning and my blessing. But why are you ready so early?
You know, Papa, I have to go by 8 o'clock train.
Oh yes, I just forget you told me that yesterday.
Papa, I have to pay college fees as well as hostel dues.
Okay, how much money would suffice?
At least 2,000 rupees.
Right, take from your mother.
Papa, don't worry about me. I'm working hard. I hope to get a first.
I also hope so. My best wishes are with you.
Bye, Papa Mummy.
I wish you a happy journey.
Conversation between brother and sister.
Minnie dear, where are you?
I am here, brother, in the kitchen.
But what are you doing there?
I am preparing 2 cups of tea.
For whom?
1 cup for Papa and for Mummy.
And none for your brother?
I am sorry, brother, but Mummy told me that you had a cup only half an hour ago.
Oh. But that was so tasteless?
Who prepared it?
I prepared it myself?
How funny. Well, I'll prepare 1 cup for you too.
Thank you so much, my dear sister.
Here you are, brother.
How sweet of you.
How does the tea taste?
It is so tasty.
Do I not deserve a prize for it?
Sure, I will certainly give you a prize for it.
But when?
At your marriage.
Brother, don't tease me. Conversation between barber and customer.
Good morning, sir. How can I assist you today?
Hello. I'm in need of a trim, something to tame this unruly mane.
Of course, sir. Take a seat and relax. What style were you thinking?
Well, I don't want anything too drastic. Just a tied up, maybe a bit off the top and sides.
Not a problem at all. Would you like some product to style it afterward?
No, thank you. I prefer a more natural look.
Understood. So, how's your day going so far?
Oh, you know, the usual. Busy with work and such. How about you? Business booming?
It's been steady. Can't complain. But it's good to see familiar faces like yours coming in.
Likewise. It's a nice break from the hustle and bustle out there. Gives me a chance to relax.
How's that length for the top? Just right?
Yes, that looks great. And the sides are looking much neater now.
Excellent. Just a bit of refining here and there.
So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really, just the usual spending time with the family, maybe catching up on some reading.
Sounds relaxing sometimes. Those quiet weekends are the best.
Couldn't agree more. Alright, I think we're just about done here. Let me grab the mirror so you can have a look.
Prefect, as always. Thanks, my friend. You've worked your magic once again.
It's my pleasure, sir. Always a pleasure to have you in the chair. Take care now, and have a wonderful day.
You too, and thanks again. See you next time.
Conversation between mother and son. Mother. Get up, Sonny, it is already 7 o'clock.
Mummy, please let me sleep. It is Sunday today.
All right. Get up yourself.
Yes, Mummy.
Doesn't matter. Now tell me, what would you like to have for breakfast?
Good morning, Mummy. I have had a long sleep today. Anything, Mummy, that you can conveniently prepare.
You can have bread and butter, or stuffed paratha, or vegetable cutlets.
I would take bread and butter. But can I also have some sweet dish?
Yes, why not? I can prepare halwa for you.
That would be excellent.
Well, brush your teeth and get ready. In the meantime, I shall prepare your breakfast.
Mummy, I am ready for breakfast. I am very, very hungry. I can't wait even for a minute.
Come to the dining table. Breakfast is ready.
Halwa is so delicious, Mummy. Oh, Mummy. How I remember you in the hostel.
Dear Sonny, I remember you even more. But your studies and your career are first. Don't forget this. Conversation between a patient and the doctor.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What is the problem with you?
Doctor, I have been having pain on the right side of my stomach since last night. Please examine me.
Yes, please lie down. It is a clear case of appendicitis.
Then what is to be done?
You have to undergo an operation immediately.
Can it not be postponed for a day or two?
No, certainly not. The appendicitis is on the point of bursting. If it bursts, it will poison your whole blood. It will be very risky.
But doctor, I don't have enough money right now.
Don't worry about money. You only get your medicines and operation items. You can pay my fees and nursing home charges later on.
Thank you, doctor. It is so kind of you. Let me have the list of medicines and other items.
Here it is. In the meantime, I shall get the operation theater ready.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.